You know this already because everybody out there knows that I get the jail reports, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So there was an issue pretty recently. You haven't had a lot, but just recently you had earlier this month one about a mattress, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And you weren't very respectful about what you said to that officer when they said for you to give up one of those mattresses, were you?
Yes, ma'am.
So it's the same thing that I say to everybody. If you can't follow the rules in jail, then it doesn't give me a lot of confidence that you're going to be able to follow the rules on probation. Does that make sense?
Yes, ma'am.
So part of this agreement or part of the recommendations in this agreement is for me to go along with giving you probation, but send you to the ISF program, the cognitive track, which is a program to help you make better decisions. But I want you to understand if I follow along with this agreement and you get any more incident reports, either here or at ISF, it's going to be a violation of your probation and you may never get out of jail before you violate it. And I know you've been out there long enough to know that I've done that already, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So then what I'm going to do, Mr. Jubert, is give you this opportunity. I'm going to find in each of your cases that you entered those pleas freely and voluntarily. In cause number 25, DCCR 1130, find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, but I'm going to follow the agreement, defer all proceedings, place you on probation for 5 years. You're ordered to pay a $500 fine in that case and to follow all of the rules and conditions of probation. And then in cause number 25, DCCR 1131, also find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, but follow the agreement and defer all proceedings for 5 years. You're ordered to pay a $300 fine in that case and to follow all of the rules and conditions of probation. One of those conditions in each case is again that you enter and successfully complete the cognitive track of the ISF program. Also, there's going to be you're going to have a couple of assessments done just to see what all probation needs to offer you so that you can be successful. There's going to be a mental health evaluation, substance abuse evaluation, and if there's anything in those evaluations that say that you need some further treatment, for whatever it is, then it is going to be your responsibility to do that and part of your probation. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You're going to get all the tools that you need to be successful. You're young, you don't have felony conviction on your record right now. If you successfully complete these probations, you will never have a felony conviction. This is a great opportunity. But the other side of that is if you violate any condition and you don't take advantage of the tools that are going to be given to you to be more successful, you're going to be right back in here in court. You're going to be looking at up to 2 years in a state jail prison in one case and between 2 years and up to 10 years in prison on the other. You